In the next 5 years, your job could disappear. Not because you're not good enough, but because the world doesn't need it anymore. That's not a prediction, it's already happening. AI, automation, remote work, the creator economy, they are not just buzzwords anymore. They are bulldozers flattening old jobs and building new industries overnight. And while some people will be left behind, those who understand what's coming, they'll own the next decade. Stick till the end because I will give you 3 powerful career hacks that will help you beat the system before it beats you. Let's start with the harsh truth. Some jobs are not coming back. Receptionists, basic data entry, telecalling, manual auditing, even entry-level graphic design. They are already being replaced by AI, SaaS tools and smart automation. A startup today can automate 5 roles in one software, and that's just the beginning. In India, it's not just low-paying jobs. Even middle-level IT testing, basic copywriting, customer service, all being slowly phased out. Why? Because they are repeatable, and anything repeatable will eventually be automated. It's not about how hard you work anymore, it's about how hard you are to replace. Here's the twist. While some doors are closing, entire new industries are opening up. Remote work isn't just a post-COVID thing, it's a new economic model. Companies in the US, Canada, UK are hiring Indians directly and paying 3 to 5x what Indian firms offer. The best part, you don't need to move. You just need skills plus portfolio plus communication. People are becoming solopreneurs, writing, editing, designing, coding, consulting all from their homes. The creator economy in India is booming. Content creators, podcast hosts, AI artists, gaming streamers, indie developers. You don't need an office, you need influence, impact, and internet. So what are the skills of the future? AI plus human creativity, prompt engineering, AI art direction, storytelling with AI tools. These are creative plus tech combos that no one can automate. Problem solvers with a niche, copywriters who understand SaaS, designers who know fintech, editors who specialize in e-learning niche gold. Soft skills 10x value. Can you lead remote teams? Can you present ideas clearly on Zoom? Can you manage chaos and still deliver results? Those who can think, adapt, communicate will rise faster than those who just know stuff. Upskilling isn't optional anymore, it's survival. Here's a sad reality. Most colleges in India are still preparing students for the 2010 market. Degrees don't guarantee adaptability. Top companies are hiring based on skills, projects, and portfolio, not marks. Google, Apple, even TCS have started hiring without degrees as long as you can prove your skills. In 2025, the question won't be where did you study, it will be what have you built. Alright, you stayed. Now here are 3 power hacks to secure your future in the next 5 years. Hack 1. Become a learning machine. Every month, pick one new skill, no matter how small. Track progress, make projects, share online. Consistency beats intensity. Hack 2. Document your journey. Whether you are a fresher or a freelancer, start a blog, YouTube channel or LinkedIn post. People don't buy skills, they buy proof of skills. Hack 3. Network in the new world. Twitter, Discord, Reddit, LinkedIn. Best opportunities today don't come from resumes, they come from communities. Find your tribe and add value, collaborate. The future of work in India isn't scary. It's a massive opportunity, but only for those who can see the shift. If you are serious about growing with the new economy, Brotomedia has your back. Subscribe now and drop a thunder icon in the comments and tell us what skill are you learning next.